calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Gigi, and we're live here at Jazzy McBee presents the Singles Mingle Mixer. Okay, and we got the one and only Queen Jazzy McBee right here with me, y'all. First things first, I've been asking everybody, what are you wearing tonight, baby?
Well, you know, I'm looking a little cute, you know, just feeling myself, but this is House of CB for the top and the bottom, and then these are the Balmain new logo boots, so yeah.
Let's talk about just fashion. You have to say fashion. Yes, Queen. So look, if your love life was a movie title, what would it be and why?
Hold on, I don't have a love life right now.
Ah, baby, come on.
I might be up for auction, and it's called the Singles Mingle Mixer for a reason. So, I know a lot of you guys bought the tickets from Eventbrite, so I appreciate you guys so much. First of all, it is my first annual Singles Mingle Mixer, and I came up with the event because...
Y'all clap for that.
Thank you. Okay, so I just said, you know, there are so many single people in the A, including myself and Kay Bachi. And I know there are a lot of people who work extremely hard and they just want to find that someone. Don't forget, guys, it is a text to give, so I am raising money for scholarships for young women. It's the F.A.B Foundation. I understand going to college, you know, you may be some less fortunate, don't have enough money, financial aid. So I wanted to put this together, especially for, you know, my high school students who would like to attend a college or a university. So one last thing. My mom passed away a couple of years ago. Today is actually her birthday. So I'm saying heavenly birthday to my angel up in heaven. This is for her. And my sisters and my dad and my family, they're also in the corner too. So
big shout out to the fam in the building.
Y'all make some noise for Mike Patron.
Coming to the stage.
Coming to the stage.
It's a pleasure to be here tonight.
So going once, going twice. So to the one in the green dress.
Ladies, gents, fellas in the back, sugar daddies. 165.
180, going once, going twice.
Hold on. Make sure that ain't that PPP motherfucker.
250, going once, going twice.
Oh!
Now don't be playing, cause we gonna smack that card.
Alright. I work too hard for it, and you need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Oh, come on. I work too hard for it. Yeah. Don't mess up the mood.
I appreciate everybody for coming out. Y'all look sexy. Y'all understood the assignment.
You are clearly an AP two-tone.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. You best if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. Yeah, I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sipping only 96. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. This floor is so heavenly. Most of my friends and a friend of me. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, cause you got the lead. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up.